Video number 1392. Welcome to Legal Matters Service, Sai Babu Sankara. A particular incident happened in the Supreme Court on 4/1/2022, that is yesterday. An SLP was filed against the continuous adjournments of a case, and Supreme Court disapproved filing of the SLP number 20986/2021, saying that simply because the Supreme Court and High Court are near, you are coming and filing petitions, even filing SLPs even against adjournments. Is it proper? It's not proper. So this is the opinion of the Supreme Court. Please remember. So just because the court is a stone's throw away, stone's throw away, then you cannot approach the Supreme Court against the orders of the High Court regarding the adjournments. So it's nothing but taking undue advantage of the proximity of the court. This was held by Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, 2 judges bench, and A.S. Bopanna. Right? So when this SLP came for hearing, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud asked the advocate, why so much of hurry in the adjournment? Just because the High Court is a stone's throw away, or Supreme Court just is throw away, then you can use the Supreme Court. He has put the question. Of course, the advocate said, they are very poor people, Your Honor. Supreme Court said, there are very poor people in other parts of the country also. And this is not the way the SLP has to be filed, that too for adjournment. We are not going to entertain the same. So this you can see in the case of Prithvi Singh, Messrs. Prithvi Singh versus the Assistant Commissioner (South) of the Department of Food and Supply, Delhi. Right. So here, this case is relating to disconnection or regarding the card holders. About 90 card holders, that is the ration card holders. So they were weeded out by the Assistant Commissioner, Department of Food and Supply. Why? Because his inquiry established that these 90 card holders did not belong to the area allocated to the Fairfair shop owner, Messrs. Prithvi Singh. That means he is selling away, or he is drawing the rice and other benefits of the essential commodities to the fair shop holders, even though they are not residing there. They did not belong to the particular area. Of course, the court stated that even though it is not for them to prove that they are not there, even though the right and responsibility does not remain on the 90 card holders, but of course it is an important link for the delivery of the Fairfair goods to the Fairfair shop. That means it is an important link which is having in totality, if the circumstance concerned, definitely this man is selling the so-called fair price product to some other person. So in this connection, no doubt the case was taken up, and actually this single judge has given a judgment in May 2020 against Messrs. Prithvi Singh. Then they approached the division bench. The division bench posted the matter to July 2021. Of course, you may know, due to the corona, they could not hold the so-called court work. Then it is posted to August 2021. Then September is gone. October 2021. And once again November, and lastly it is posted to January 28th, 2022. So continuous adjournments are going on. Vexed by the continuous adjournments, this man filed an SLP before the Honorable Supreme Court, but Supreme Court also did not agree, because of course due to so many circumstances the cases will be adjourned. But what does section 309 CRPC say? So of course it relates to the courts up to district level courts. Whatever court is a court. Speedy trial, fair trial, Article 20 will always be discussing about all these things. So Once the trial starts, it should go on without any adjournment. So of course, if any adjournment should be there, it should not be more than 3 times. But how many adjournments just now have taken? That too at the level of the High Court. So many adjournments are being taken place. Definitely, where is the speedy trial? Of course, as an elder man, I can question. But here, they have got their own difficulties. It's not that easy to post the matter and hear, because it's not one case. High Court has got so many cases. That too, the matter has come to the division bench. Second point is, there is no urgency. Because 90 cart holders, actually, if the government has come on their behalf, it would have been otherwise. But here, what is the important circumstance is that this man, under the guise of FP shop dealer, he has taken away the ration relating to 90 card holders, and it can be decided at any particular point of time. Therefore, approaching the Supreme Court, since it is quite clearer, and filing an SLP for the so-called adjournments is atrocious, not accepted, and Supreme Court did not entertain the SLP. Right? Thank you very much.